Video explanation, Educational DNN plus Random Forest AI model. This video demonstrates how an AI system powered by a deep neural network, DNN, and random forest with 5-fold cross-validation can analyze student academic data to predict outcomes and support decision-making in education. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Brain 1. DNN architecture, Sankey flow view. Pushpin purpose. Simulate how various student features influence academic performance through mathematical processing in the network. Input numbers. Input layer neurons. Each input is a student metric, tied to a branch of mathematics. Metric math branch. Attendance rate statistics. Assignment score arithmetic. Test score probability. Class participation algebra. Behavior rating statistics. Homework completion logic. Learning hours calculus. Parental involvement set theory. Abacus hidden layers. Neurons apply formulas like sigma, Wx plus b, rightward arrow sigmoid activation. ReLU, sigma Wx, rightward arrow rectified linear unit. These emulate how the AI transforms raw input into internal representations. Direct hit output layer. Pass, argmax, p. Needs improvement, p threshold. Fail, p0. Counterclockwise arrows button animation. The Sankey diagram animates data flow from input to output, allowing viewers to visualize influence strength across each pathway. Evergreen tree 2. Random forest, K-fold CV, accuracy dashboard. Pushpin purpose. Evaluate the reliability of predictions using cross-validation. Test tube. How it works. Student dataset is split into 5 parts, folds. The model trains on 4 folds and tests on 1. This repeats 5 times. Bar chart. Graph output. Bar chart, accuracy of each fold, in percent. Line trend, shows stability of the model. Animation, build step by step to show progression in model training/validation. Globe with meridians. Domains where this AI video model is applicable. Domain use case. Graduation cap education predicts student success, dropout risk, intervention planning. Hospital healthcare patient risk prediction, disease classification, treatment optimization. Factory manufacturing predictive maintenance, quality defect classification. Office building HR and talent candidate performance prediction, attrition risk. Shopping cart retail customer churn analysis, product recommendation scoring. Chart increasing finance credit scoring, fraud detection, risk modeling. Test tube research behavioral analysis, experimental prediction modeling. Clipboard key reports and graphs this video can generate. Crown for top management. Report/graph insight. Performance forecast vs actual early warnings about student outcomes. Intervention ROI resource allocation justification. Accuracy over time model improvement tracking. Departmental effectiveness impact across different academic units. Puzzle piece for middle management, HODs, coordinators. Report insight. Class level pass/fail analysis. Identify weak subjects/groups. Model confidence score. Trust level of AI recommendations. Time allocation. Effectiveness learning hour vs performance correlation. Man-teacher for operational staff, teachers, counselors. Report insight. At-risk student list. Personalized intervention plans. Feature importance. Which metric affects prediction most? Parent involvement map. Alerts for low engagement levels. Pushpin summary. This video visually explains AI in education using DNN Sankey animation for decision-making insight. Random forest validation for trust and reliability. Suitable for educators, data scientists, management, and policy makers. Thank you.